Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia and this month we are on our creative world tour to the Caribbean, where we create some really fun things for your summer vacation. In this video we create a notepad for our travel journal. It's a little insert where you can store some papers you can pull out whenever you need to write some notes for your vacation. Maybe you are planning your vacation, or maybe you want to have some notes to remember when you are back home and do your memory planning. In the link under the video you find all the materials you need to create not just this notepad but also the travel journal. You can find that in our travel journal course. And there you also find all the material from cut files to the papers, whatever you need, it's already there. So now, without any further ado, before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. So now we are ready with our book, and you have already seen it and it looks pretty good. The only thing now is it's so empty. So we really need to get things in, which means we need some backs and some paper stripes, and there are so many things we can add to such a book, and that is what we are going to do. We take this as an example and add a lot of different things. You can of course always add something different, or just add the one thing and leave out the other thing. These are just examples and what you can do or not. So okay, I thought I have this type of paper. This is a silhouette file or a cut file, and you can use it for whatever cutting machine you have. And we will now fold it and we will add paper to it and get it. So you have some paper in your book, so whenever you need to make some notes, that is what we are going to do now. So it's pretty easy. We just need to fold it. So here is a folding. I'm using my machine for that. But if you want to do it manually, it's totally fine too. So you see, it's much easier to fold it now. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So let's fold the thing, and now you can see what I want to do with it. I'm going to fold it like this, and now we are adding some paper inside. So let me first get rid of that, and we can of course decorate it a bit, and it should fit to the rest of the book, of course. So I'm going to decorate this area here, and I'm using the elements which are included in this traveler journal collection. And I thought I'm going to add this somehow, and maybe we're going to add that, or you can do something totally different. It's up to you. Maybe you just want to add this one and place that on top. You see, there are endless possibilities. It all fits together just fine. You see, that would also work. And so that's up to you. So whatever you prefer, you go ahead and do that. So let's first put that on top here. Maybe I go ahead and do that a little bit different, because if it's coming out so much, it might not fit well into the book. So we're going to see if we go ahead with that or if we get rid of that. Let's see. I don't want to cut off the smile here, so we're going a little bit to the left. Okay, so we're going to get rid of that in just a second, but first I want to add the papers here so it can already dry, and we're going to add the papers here. So I want them to be inside like that, so I cut them in the middle. There are just some stripes here we have left from our book binding, so maybe you have left some stripes as well. Just put them together. You see, they don't have to be 100% alike, because we are going to add something over it anyway. And what we do now is we use a thing here and go through it. Maybe that's too much, so I'm going to leave a bit out for now. Yeah, that fits well. So now we need to cut them, and then I'm going to place them here. So there are always notes you need to make when you're on holiday, so no matter what it is, so it's a good thing to have something like that with you. So that's it. So now you can just pull out whatever paper you need or how many paper you need, and you can add that to your journal. So let's get rid of the sides here. Yeah, it's not 100% precise because you have the folding thing there, so I guess I better cut it manually. Yeah, and that's how it looks now. You can put it into your book here. Let's see where it fits. You could basically put it here, and you see now the problem here. So I guess I need to fold it one more time, and that's because I thought I could add some more papers, but I guess I cannot, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to close my journal anymore. So better I do it like that. So we're going to place it somewhere, and that's it. We are done, and we have added something really nice to our journal. Yeah, okay, that's how I thought it looks good. I'm going to place some elements under that notepad here. So now you can pull out your paper here if you need it, write something on it, and then you can pull it out. I thought I could add some nice elements which also fit to the book, so it's all one unit, so it looks much better. So I don't want to move it around too much, so first I need to place this one, and I always need to adjust because I need to know if I'm going to place it right. So I start with that one. So that's it. That's how the first page of our journal looks like. But that's not all. There are many more tutorials where this came from, and if you are interested in bookbinding or creating a mini album, just click the links here in the video and go further ahead creating beautiful memories.